we want to share some important information about hazardous materials in flight. Before you check your bags at the ticket counter, let's do a quick check of your luggage. Some everyday items could be dangerous goods if they are improperly packed. In your checked baggage, these dangerous goods are not allowed. Non-toiletry aerosols, flammable aerosols such as spray starch, spray lubricants, spray paints, cooking sprays, etc. Matches and lighters, fireworks, lithium batteries, e-cigarettes, vapes, spare lithium-ion batteries, power banks, etc. Portable electronic devices with lithium-ion batteries are recommended to be removed and placed in carry-on baggage. See your carrier for additional information. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Have a nice flight.